Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of editing a form in AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Start by logging into your AWeber account. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Pages and Forms option. This section allows you to manage your sign-up forms and landing pages. Within the Pages and Forms area, click on Sign Up Forms. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing forms and create new ones. Here you have the option to either create a new sign-up form or edit an existing one. For this guide, I will be using an existing form, so I'll click on My Web Form to proceed. In the form editor, you can customize the appearance and layout of your sign-up form. AWeber provides a variety of templates to choose from, allowing you to select one that fits your style. You can personalize your form by adding text, images, borders, and other design elements. This customization helps make your form visually appealing and aligned with your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your form, click the Publish button to save your changes and make your form live. That's it. You have successfully created or updated your sign-up form in AWeber. Your new or edited form is now ready to collect subscriber information. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.